Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Storybird. You do have to create an account, but it is free. And once you create an account, it takes you through step-by-steps on how to add your own class, and you can create your own class title, and you can add your students. This is what your page looks like once you're on there, and you can click on courses, and it has several different videos that you can watch as an educator that will help you. I found a few that were really interesting that can help you with teaching your kids about writing, getting them interested. Now you can go back to you and your stuff, and here is it'll show everything that you have made or how you have what books you have created. Now you click on create to start your own book. And you first start off with an image that just grabs your attention or whatever you may be writing about. And you can search, so if you've already started drafting your writing, you can search a picture that may look, that has something to do with your writing. There's so many different types of pictures that you can choose from. I'm going to choose this little rabbit. Oh, since I can't find that page, let me go back, find a different picture. And you see every time that you refresh it, it shows different pictures. Kind of like those giraffes. Alright, so it says that this is Giraffe Friends, and it'll tell you all about the artwork over here, and then you can say, it'll even show you pictures that other people have used in their writings. You can comment on the pictures. I'm going to choose to use this artwork, and I'm just going to do a poem. Alright, now I can drag my words to add them here, and there's so many different words that you can choose from. You can change the color of the writing. Right? And then I'm going to publish it. Now, once you publish it, you can, right here, it automatically pops up the teacher name. So that way, or this right here shows who it's from, and then you can pick which teacher or who you want to email it to. You can share the link, and then I thought this was really cool because it already has Google Classroom available up here. So then if they already have an account with your Google Classroom, they can share the link automatically into the Google Classroom so that everybody can see their Storybird. You can make it public or private, and I would always say put it for school because they're not going to be doing anything that's not for school. And then they can submit it, and it automatically gets sent to whoever they share it with via email. Now, you also, something that's really cool about Storybird is that there are endless amount of books that you can read, and even some that students have written. So you could use these as examples to show that just because they're in whatever grade they're in, for example, mine third graders, doesn't mean they can't write a story. So I think this is a really cool way for you to do your writing process, and then because usually after you're done writing, you may like hang it on the wall or something, and then that be it. But with Storybird, they're able to actually make a book out of it, which that makes them have more pride in their work.